We're at Carolina Motorsports Park today with the Carolina Region Mustang Club. It's their two-day high-performance driving event. It's absolutely gorgeous weather. We're going to run some fast times today and tomorrow. Check out the video. We've actually been here for the last 3 days. Gorgeous weather. We're testing out the new to me 2019 CAMARO ZL1 1LE, trying to get it ready for time trials, trying to kind of find the limits. I found the limits. I had a pretty big off between turn 13 and 14, not at the corner, actually in between. Ended up getting some power oversteer. Tried to ride it out. That was the wrong call. The left tire started spinning, stayed in it, then the right tire started spinning, and then the car started to yaw and it was unrecoverable at that point. The car went off hard left out towards the outside, but it did not hit the tire barrier. I got a few little door dings from one of the corner markers, but besides that, I'm okay, car's okay. So here's the video.
No es bueno. ¡No! Thanks for watching. Hopefully you learned something. Be safe out there on track.